Let's learn how to write. Happy birthday! First, let's start with the letter H. It have 2 downstrokes. Keep the pen angle from the side, not from the front, at 45 degrees. For a downstroke, bend the nib and increase the pressure. For understroke, first keep the pressure light while moving up, and then apply pressure while moving down. For Y, make an underturn and a descender. Manage the pressure carefully while making the turn. Now, just make a simple underturn. The important thing is to manage the pressure. You can only learn it with practice. A complete workbook with practice pages is available. If you are interested, you can comment workbook to get the book. I, R, and T all are made with underturn. H is a little similar to B. Manage pressure carefully while making the oval, for both D and A. You can trace this on the worksheet and then practice on notebook. The link for the worksheet is given in description. You can download and print it out easily. Voila, you completed the worksheet. Comment, which worksheet should I make next?